Today we are talking to Mr. Tawanda Zimindo, who is an entrepreneur who is into teaching of foreign languages. Mr. Zimindo, can you give us a background of your business?
Okay, thank you very much. Zimindo Language Consultants was started in 2019 with the main mandate of teaching foreign languages and also offer translation and interpretation services. So normally we offer Chinese language, we offer French, Portuguese and German. We also offer the translation and interpretation of those languages.
Can you give us a background of your education? How did you come to teach foreign language?
Okay, I graduated from the University of Zimbabwe, and when I was at the University of Zimbabwe doing my undergraduate degree, I then realized that there was an influx of Chinese people into Zimbabwe. More and more Chinese people were coming to Zimbabwe. So I realized that there is an opportunity in as much as the teaching of foreign languages is concerned. So I decided that I should learn Chinese language along with my degree program. And later on, the desire was for me to use that knowledge of Chinese language, to ease off communication barriers between Chinese people and local Zimbabweans.
What are some of the opportunities that are available for someone who wants to start foreign languages?
There are a lot of opportunities. Let's just take the fact that most of our investments here in Zimbabwe are coming from foreign countries. And I want to take Chinese as an example. Right now, wherever you go, be it in Zimbabwe, South Africa, Mozambique, Germany, you encounter Chinese people. So the moment that you have high command of a foreign language, in this case Chinese language, it means opportunities will be waiting for you there. As long as that country has Chinese people, it means you have first of all opportunities. Here in Zimbabwe, we have a lot of Chinese people residing here for various reasons, but as we all know, Chinese people cannot speak English and Zimbabweans cannot speak Chinese. There's need for someone who understands both Chinese language and English language, to bridge the communication gap between these two people. You see.
How big is your enrollment?
Well, right now we have approximately 300 students, and the enrollment in terms of inquiries is improving, it's increasing on a daily basis. There's a high demand right now for foreign languages because people are beginning to see the importance of studying these languages, so inquiries are coming on a daily basis.
What assistance or help would you expect from the government or from other institutions?
I can say from the government, what the government can do is just to help us in terms of policies. We just need conducive policies.
I realize you're also into shipping and sourcing.
Yes.
Goods from China. Can you give me a highlight?
Well, right now, as you know, most of the things, most of the goods, the machines are coming from China. China is the main producer of most of the items, of all the 10 items that are in front of you that you see in the street, or the clothes that you see people wearing, you find out that maybe half of those comes from China. So as a result of that, I then realized the need to bring convenience to the people, the need to help people access Chinese markets. So I utilized my exposure of the country China because I stayed there for quite a long time. So I have an understanding of the major markets there, and I have an understanding of how to get those goods, whatever they are, machines. I have ways of bringing them here to Zimbabwe. So I then decided to venture into that shipping business, that if you want to buy something from China, you just have to come here. We help you sourcing, we help you communicate with the suppliers, we help you pay. After paying, we help you ship and you collect your goods here in Harare. Yes.
Viewers, we've come to the end of our program. If you want to learn foreign languages, come to Mr. Tawanda's Zimgo Consultants. And if you need to source goods from China, be sure to contact Mr. Tawanda's Zimgo. Any parting words in this meeting?
I just want to further emphasize on the fact that if you want to start business, start doing it. Don't spend much of your time planning. And if you want to learn foreign languages, German, French, Portuguese, and Chinese language, come to Zingro Language Consultants. We are the home of foreign languages. If you have any form of translations or interpretations that needs to be done, feel free to come to Zingro Language Consultants. And do not forget, we are into shipping. Whatever that you want to ship from China specifically, come over and we can help you to do it. Thank you. Okay, 大家好，我是曾老师，我是 Zingro 语言中心的老师，而且我是 Zingro 语言中心的主任。我们 Zingro 这里主要教汉语、葡萄牙语、德语还有法语。如果你想学习语言，你可以过来；如果你想学习语言，你可以跟我们联系。谢谢。